Takers and givers, I've been called the latter. But am I really a giver if I don't give to myself? Don't take care of my health, care for everyone else. I usually give away my best, but get into this reset. Get into this reset. Get into this reset. Takers, givers, I've been called the latter. Get into this reset. Yeah, I'ma adjust my clock like daylight savings. Next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you.
Hey guys, so I'm about to take a nap. Kim and Sam are in the water. I find that it's way too hot to be in the water right now. Oh, and I'm still on the tennis court. Like, I have not settled down as yet. So I'm going to take a little nappy nap. And hopefully by later on I go in the water. But right now, you hear the sea breeze. And I'm going to sleep. I mean, they have people running. I don't know why. I guess they're training. But other than that, it's pretty relaxing. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. So like I said, gonna take a nap. See you guys soon when I'm ready to go in the water.
Start over, hold me on a new vibe. She blowing my high, gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, reset. Ain't nothing to start over. Hold me on a new vibe. Blowing my high, gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, yeah. Reset. Recent past is feeling like a past life. Can't believe I saved your heart to break mine. You could see I shifted shape to fit yours. Can't forget I made the move to move on. PCH to the Potomac River. Take a break, recalibrate, forgive her. Trip the road from Stockton to Stockholm. Yeah, peace and grace to travel safe through time zones. Adjust my clock like daylight savings. Next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over. Hold me on a new vibe. Blowing my high, gotta recalibrate my sundial. Reset. It ain't nothing. No, me on a new vibe. Blowing my high, gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Reset.
I feel like I'm going to end this vlog. It's been going on for quite some time, and it was supposed to be like spend the morning with me on the weekend, and it is now 2 o'clock. So I'm gonna go and get some boba tea, boba milk tea, which is not really tea, but it's like, I don't know what it is, but we just call it boba milk tea, from Mimi Mo, which is in Jamaica, and they're really good. I mean, it's between Hicha and Mimi Mo for me for the boba tea. It's really good. I'll catch you back.
No more holding back dreams. I am worthy. Violet, new begin. Tell them I'm coming. Hold your breath. This time around, I'm ready. You haven't seen nothing yet.
Okay, so as you saw, it was a quick 1-2, and I have my boba. I've had this more than once, so it's not gonna be like an old taste test, because I know that it just tastes amazing. So yeah, always tastes amazing. This is literally a pick me up to get the rest of my day done. So guys, I'm going to end this video. I hope it was enjoyable for you as it was for me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.